Good morning, students. From Standard 7 English Medium. Chapter number 2. What is the chapter name? The name of the chapter is Articles. And yesterday I have discussed with what? Indefinite articles. And today I am going to tell you about the definite articles. Okay, the definite article is what? The is used to refer to a specific noun. Okay, so see where we use this definite article, the. Okay, here using the definite article we use the with. Where we use the with where nouns that have been used earlier means the before. See, if there are two sentences, in the first sentence talking about that thing and the same thing talking about in a second sentence, then we put the. How? Here given the example, my sister is making a film. Okay, so talking about a film is countable. A talking about this film, a film, which film we don't know, but this talk about the same film here, so we put the film is on Nepalese folk art. Okay, how? See example, I have a dog. Okay, I have a dog. The sentence, if I talk about this dog, in the second sentence where I put the dog means talk about the same thing in the second sentence. That is why I put the. I have a dog. The dog is very cute. Okay, then comes to second. Now ordinals numbers like first, second, third, next, further, we can use the first president of our country, the last prime minister of our country. So we can say use before this which number? Ordinals number, we can use the. Then the third, a common noun representing a class. A common noun, what here given? The talking about the tiger. Okay, if talk about this tiger, the class of the tiger, here the tiger is the national animal of India. The tiger is the national animal of India. That is the class of the tiger. If I use the with the lion, the lion is common noun, but showing that the lion is the king of the jungle or forest. So talking about the lion, who the class of the lion, king of the jungle. Okay, then next, unique nouns that are only one of their kind, like sky, sun, earth, moon, etc. Okay, so the sun rises in the east. The sun means only one in the universe. Talking about that thing, we can use the sun shines. Okay, we can say with the moon also, the moon shines at night. Talk about the earth goes round the sun. Okay, so these things we can use the before these things. Okay, now comes to words collocation, word combination, such words which to speak the truth on the one hand. Okay, now comes to the sixth one. What? Number 6. In number 6 there are some things. Which things? This groups of countries, nationalities or religious communities, mountain range, famous buildings, holy books and epics, families, titles, awards and honors, we can use the before it. Groups of countries, the European Union means there are so many European countries. To talk about the groups of that countries, we use the before the European. The United Kingdom, there are many countries in United Kingdom. Okay, 4 countries: United Kingdom, Scotland, England, okay, UK. That is this group of countries, and we use the before it. Now comes to the nationalities or religious communities. Nationalities: the English, the French, the Christian, the Sikh, the Hindu, the Muslim. That is the communities in religious. Okay, the mountain range: the Himalayas, the Western Ghats, the Alps. This is the we use the where mountain range. Famous building, famous thing, we can use the before it: the Taj Mahal, the Parliament, the Buckingham Palace, the White House. Okay, we can use the before it. Holy books and epics: the Gita, Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Iliad. Okay, families: the Bhartis, the Pauls, with the families, Bhartis, we Hindus, just like that. Okay, then the comes with the titles, awards and honors: the Padma Bhushan, the Paramvir Chakra, the Nobel Prize. We can use the where titles, awards and honors, we can use the. And where we do not use the, that is the omission of the definite articles. Where we do not use the before the proper noun. If given the particular name of a person, name of a thing, we cannot use the. Here example: New Delhi is capital of India. Here given the New Delhi is a proper noun, we cannot use the before it. Okay, here capital is capital of India, we can use the, but in a proper name, particular name of a person or a thing, we cannot use the before it. Comes to the language, we cannot use the English, Japanese, Hindi, we cannot use the. Then comes to what? Names of meals, not any particular meal being referred to, not any particular meal being referred, which dinner has been served, we cannot use the dinner. Okay, breakfast, dinner, lunch, we do not use the. Then comes to the buildings with reference to their purpose, like educational institution, places of worship, hospital, prison, etc. I was in hospital for 2 months. We cannot say I was in the hospital. Okay, we can say that, but here I was in hospital for 2 months, means within these 2 months where I was in hospital. If I want to admit it, we use the. I will go to school tomorrow, means here purpose of education. Okay, hospital is given, then I will go to school, I will go to the school, not. If given the school name, then we use the. Okay, then comes to the mountains. We already discussed with here mountain range. Now comes to the mountain. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world, we can say. Okay, but we cannot say the Mount Everest. The Mount Everest we can say, but here in the example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay, Mount Everest, we cannot say the Mount Everest. Uncountable and abstract nouns in general sense: wisdom, honey, money, we cannot use with the uncountable these nouns. Now comes to the plural. Plural countable nouns used in general sense: bats, elephants. Okay, we cannot use the before that with the plural nouns. So this is the omission of the articles, means we cannot use before that the. And where we use, we already discussed with you. Thank you for listening me. Thanks a lot.